and welcome back to Actually Do Life, and a little segment I'm going to be calling Sharing is Caring. Today's tip is brought to you by Lori. Hi Lori! So if you are the kind of person that works out almost every single day but doesn't like to wash their hair every day, this is going to be the tip for you. Put dry shampoo in your hair before you go work out. It will help your hair last through your workout, and so you won't have to wash it quite as often. You could probably go 1, 2, maybe even 3 days if you do this every morning before you go work out. And that's what I have been doing, and you know what? It works. I love it. And so today I'm going to go work out. I'm not going to go to my boot camp like I normally do. We're going hiking, but same difference. So I'm going to still spray my hair with dry shampoo, so that way when I get home I can take a quick shower and I don't have to wash my hair. And then go ahead and throw up your hair how you normally do to work out. I usually just do like a little messy bun. And then after I work out, just so I don't get any weird creases, I usually take my hair out as I'm driving home and let my hair blow in the wind. I hope this little tip comes in handy. Thank you again, Lori. And always remember, sharing is caring. So make sure to like and share so other people can like and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class.